Good morning! We're in Fairbanks today and we're picking up a puppy.
Yeah, this week is not a making video, but more of an adventure. Wish we could have brought you along for the ride up here, but it was very dark and you couldn't see anything. So, we've got a couple of things to do in Fairbanks, and then we will be headed out to go check out another member of the family. We didn't bring the big truck up here to Fairbanks because we need to get a set of tires on that before we take it 300 miles from home. So we're just here in the Dakota, and we got a couple more things to do in town, and then off to North Pole to go see the puppy. So we came about 300 miles-ish to Fairbanks, and the puppy that we're picking up is in North Pole. We're about 10 miles away. On our way to North Pole, Alaska. So we pretty much got it narrowed down to these two. We're just waiting for the parents now. We're gonna meet the parents, see the temperament of them, and we're gonna go from there. Try and decide which one we want. So after much consideration and a lot of thinking, a lot of talking, we couldn't decide on one. So we got two. Now we just gotta figure out how to fit two in the box truck. Won't be too bad with them this size, but when they get to be full size, we shouldn't be too bad. We built a big truck. So when we're here now at Petco in Fairbanks, I'm gonna get a couple of things and then get on the road back to Anchorage. Alright, so this is Milwaukee. He is a 8-week-old Texas Heeler, which is an Australian Shepherd and a Blue Heeler mix. And he is one of the puppies that we picked up in Fairbanks, or North Pole. And this is Makita, his sister from the same litter, Texas Heeler. We just couldn't decide one or the other, so we got them both. And that's going to be it for our video for this week. Be sure to hit the subscribe if you want to keep up to date on these two. And hit the like button if you like this video and you want to see more of this kind of content. We're getting very close to hitting the road with our truck, so see you guys next time.
And this is Bless.
Wait, you need the mic. There you go.
This is Bless.
Did you get thrown on National Throw Short People Day?
Don't expose me!